So good. It's been really fantastic coming here for the first time. I have to say, being from Europe and especially from Poland, which is a very homogeneous type of country, everyone is kind of similar to each other. India is an exotic place, Even on the drive here, from the airport to Shillong, I just couldn't stop taking videos on my phone through the window, just because of the nature, how absolutely exotic it is for me. So I kind of feel like I'm in a different world right now. And Arpan mentions Japan, how it's a victory market, Korea, how it's a victory market. But actually this is the place where I feel like I am exploring the most. And it's kind of a big honor actually, because what I do, the way that I play is pretty niche in general. Like it's an instrumental style, it's an instrumental type of music. It's a percussive style of guitar, which of course is a little bit more different, it's more intricate, I guess, than the typical guitar style. So frankly, to see such a great reaction in India to this sort of performance is amazing. And I've heard, I don't know if it's true, we can do the research, but I've heard from one fan in Mumbai that no other foreign percussive guitarist has ever really come to tour India. Is that right? You think so?
Yeah, we had Andy Mickey.
Okay, so he was wrong. So the fan was wrong. But anyway, it's a beautiful thing. It's something that I really feel like we are starting something new. And I hope that other artists, maybe some of my friends, maybe just some people who watch me online and are becoming bigger and bigger, that they can follow and visit this beautiful country.
So yeah,
Shillong.
Yeah. Well, the real answer to your question is that I don't think about it. I mean, I've been touring professionally for 2 years now, which I know is not that much, but it's been essentially non-stop 2 years of world touring. So I think I've reached a point where I have enough confidence that I bring a show and I know what the show is and I know what I can expect from the reaction. And of course, Arpan has been telling me non-stop how musically inclined Shillong is and how everyone here respects music and appreciates music. But that just makes me more excited. It doesn't make me more nervous because I love musicians. I'm a musician myself, so I want to play for them. I want to talk to them, interact. And the fact that it's a more Western scene, it doesn't change much for me because I come from Europe, right? So when I play in New York or I play in Paris, I play for Western musicians. So frankly, I will just see what happens, and that's it. It's all natural, no stress.